Welcome to my Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender review. Modern kitchens demand versatile appliances that can handle multiple tasks. The Cuisinart Duet packs a robust 500-watt motor into its sleek, brushed chrome housing, giving you the power to tackle both blending and food processing jobs. Your blending tasks become effortless with the 48-ounce glass jar and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. The 7-speed control panel lights up with LED indicators, making it simple to switch between functions like stir, chop, and puree. The 3-cup food processor attachment transforms this blender into a complete food prep station. You'll find the feed tube and pusher especially handy for adding ingredients while processing. Now let's look at each of the key features in more detail. Powerful 500-watt motor. The robust motor on the Cuisinart Smart Power Blender handles tough blending jobs with ease. You can crush ice without adding liquid, perfect for frozen drinks and smoothies. The motor powers through frozen fruit, raw vegetables, and hard ingredients while maintaining consistent performance. 7-speed touchpad controls. The intuitive LED touchpad puts precise control at your fingertips. Select from speeds for stirring, chopping, mixing, pureeing, and ice crushing. The clear indicators help you pick the right setting for each task. The pulse function gives you quick bursts of power when needed. Die-cast metal housing. Built to last with a durable metal base that adds stability during operation. The solid construction reduces vibration and movement on your counter. The brushed chrome finish resists fingerprints and wipes clean easily. Versatile attachments. The 48-ounce glass jar handles family-sized batches. A measuring cap in the lid lets you add ingredients while blending. The 3-cup food processor bowl includes feed tube with pusher for safely adding foods, stainless steel chopping blade, reversible slicing shredding disc, dishwasher-safe removable parts. The quick change system lets you switch between blender and processor functions in seconds. Now for the pros and cons part of my Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender review. Starting with the pros, the 500-watt motor handles ice crushing without needing to add liquid. Durable glass blender jar holds 48 ounces, perfect for making multiple servings. 7 speed settings give you precise control for different tasks. The 3-cup food processor attachment includes helpful accessories like a feed tube and pusher. Die-cast metal housing feels sturdy and built to last. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Premium stainless steel blades stay sharp for consistent performance. As for the cons, motor might struggle when processing larger quantities. 3-cup processor bowl is on the smaller side for some recipes. Takes up more vertical space than standalone units due to the combo design. Keeping your Duet blender running smoothly is remarkably simple. The removable parts pop right into your dishwasher for quick cleaning after use. The glass jar, food processor bowl, and all attachments are dishwasher safe. You'll want to wipe down the metal base with a damp cloth after each use. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades need special attention. Clean them carefully by hand to maintain their edge. Overall, his combo appliance brings solid value to your kitchen. The Smart Power Duet combines a capable 500-watt base with both blender and food processor functions. You'll appreciate the durable glass blender jar for smoothies and drinks, while the 3-cup processor bowl handles chopping and food prep tasks. The design saves precious counter space compared to having 2 separate machines. The blender does well with typical blending jobs but can struggle with very full loads. Ice crushing performance is decent for occasional frozen drinks. The food processor attachment works for basic chopping and mixing. For everyday home use, this Cuisinart offers good functionality at a reasonable price point. Just keep the capacity limits in mind and avoid overloading either attachment. The convenience of having both appliances in one makes this worth considering for kitchens where space is at a premium.